Yeah, welcome to Impress Creative channel. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. If you have not, please subscribe to this channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning bead embroidery. We'll be learning how to make our neckline and sleeve more beautiful. The materials needed are beads, cutter, monofilament, also known as fishing line, and our needle. For this tutorial, I have two types of bead. This is one and the other one. You can actually use one bead for it, but I'm combining two different types of bead. This is my monofilament, also known as fishing line. The size is 0.50 mm because this is a big bead, but you can use 0.35 or 0.4 mm for the smaller one. I have my cutter here. So what do I want to do? I just want to make this my neckline look more beautiful, so I'll be decorating it with beads. There are several ways of doing this. I'll put a bead inside the fishing line. Now this is my left, one to the left, and then one to the right. I'm using a long fishing line because I don't want to join it. One to the right. We have 3 beads. I'm going to use one to cross. I will use the other bead to cross. Can you see 4 beads? And then make sure, put it tight and make sure they are the same length. Always make sure they're the same length. Okay, so this is my left, another bead to the left, to the right, use one to cross it. Pull. I continue. You might use a smaller bead. One to the left, one to the right, we are beating it up. I'll repeat the step. One to the left, one to the right, I cross it. I pull again, can we see? And then I continue like that, left, right, cross. I'll make another bead to my left, to my right, and then cross it. I want to check if the beads are enough. So I'm going to place it like this, on top of the neckline, and then check. I need one more step. Now this is okay. So I want to make it firm. Make sure the beads are firm. So what I will do, This is the middle. I'm going to put this back. Next bead. I'll pull the other side, the next bead. This is the next bead to hit. I'm going to and then pull. Can we say you must put it well. Can you see? And so I will cross it at the lower bead. This is the lower bead, the one I'm pointing to. So I will cross it at the lower bead. The next thing I want to do, I want to attach the bead to the top. I have attached this side. I want to go to the next side, and then I'll do the middle last. The reason is that, this is not moving again. By the time I attach this, it will be easier to work on the middle parts. And then I used 0.5 for beading the bead because it's big. I'm using 0.3 to attach the beads to the top. And so we start attaching it. Can you see the shoulder line, the sewn part? This is the needle from the back. I pull. I pass it through the first bead. Can you see the needle is a big bead? I pull. I go down into the cloth. Can you see this? I go down into the cloth. I pull. The same spot again. My hand is covering it. The same spot again. I bring the needle back. You go to the next bead. This is the next bead. The next bead. You pull. I'll go down again. Nice. This is the next bead. I'm going down again. After going down, the same spot, I come up and then pass it through the next bead. In case you didn't see what I have done, the thread is coming out from this bead. Can you see this one? I'll put the needle in. The same spot, I'll bring it out. I will pass it through this next bead. Can you see? From this bead, the next one is this one. I will pass it through it. I will go in again, come out again from the same, pass it through this. So I'm just going round. Can you see? I'll go round like this and then turn. I'll go like this and then go like this again. Can you see? And then go round like this and then go like this again. Pull. I'll pass it in again and then the same spot, pass it out, pass through the next bead, and that's how I will continue till I finish. You can see that the neckline is looking more beautiful. I can also do the same design for the sleeves.